You may not be a computer nerd, but the professionals at Maxit are. Serving businesses and residents through Belmar and the surrounding area, we know everything there is to know about your PC and have more than 10 years of experience handling everything from virus detection and removal to network setup, software installations, hardware installations, and a whole lot more. Free diagnostics and quotes are available, so don't wait to schedule yours. We look forward to working with you. Maxit. Call us or visit our website now.